I love London, but I'm just so ready for this road trip. I just want to get out of the grey skies and get into the blue.
Get out on the ocean.
Lauren is my best friend and has been for 7 years. And she knows me, I think, better than anybody.
We don't get to spend that much time outside of work together, so this was really exciting for me.
How was your flight?
Really good. Fab.
We're in California.
I know, I can't believe it.
No. It's not a race.
That's what losers say.
Somewhere you've never been. If you want to ride in a fast car and feel the wind in your hair.
So, you know what I'm noticing about these bikes? They kind of sit back on themselves. That's the way some look like effortlessly Californian. Yo.
And I will be with you when the darkest
It's so good that we get to just have a laugh, because normally there's always work involved, but this has been amazing. We've really got to be girls and just have some fun.
Oh, I'll go anywhere with you.
Look at that!
If you get up in the hillside, if you ride out on the plains, if you go digging up dirt, if you go out dancing in the rain, if you go chasing in rainbows just to find the gold ain't there, darling, just look behind you. Oh, I'll go with you anywhere.
Welcome to the Labyrinth and to our shamanic journey. We honor the stone people, the plant people, and the creepy crawlies.
She's laughing. It's making me laugh.
It's making me laugh. I'm so sorry.
It's quite all right. You just started, both of you, on a new magical journey.
That is exactly what we need in our lives.
That's great.
I say we, you. But...
There's so much to do, it's endless. The scenery's always spectacular. It's hard not to feel like Thelma and Louise as soon as you hit the road. Isn't that amazing?
This winter comes, oh, and I will be with you to feel the California sun. Oh, and I will be.
I'd say this is one of the most peaceful places I've ever been. It makes me feel dizzy almost. I'm gonna remember this forever.
Anywhere with you. Oh, I'll go anywhere with you.
I thought I knew California, but it's revealed secrets, and it's given us the space to laugh and relax, and brought us so much closer together. This is definitely not our last adventure.
Oh, I'll go